everybody, it's your girl. What's up? So today, and you might hear my fan in the background. I think I'm going to turn it off so it won't be so noisy and I don't have to re-record or record over this. Let me make sure my camera is straight. It's been a minute. How y'all doing out there? I've been extremely busy, but today I said let me do a video. So someone had asked me, I think it Leslie asked me, hey Leslie, she purchased the pattern. This is the Hobo pattern here, as you see here. She purchased this, and as many others have purchased, and she wanted to make her strap to be 8 inches long. So she wanted it to be 4 more inches longer than it was. So she asked me, how would you do that? So what I did was I put 2 pieces of cardstock together, or you could use 2 pieces of any type of paper, typing paper, printing paper, whatever. Typing paper, where did that come from? Okay, printing paper. So what I did was, and I glued this piece down to it. So then you take your measuring, your ruler, and you come to the end where this line is, where it says place on the fold. So however long you want this strap to be, you make sure you line it up with the line that's going. The lines slant. They're slanting in, and you see it as you see when you draw. So what I did was I placed it there, and she said she wanted 4 more inches added. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I took it, and I took it up here like that, and I repeated this on the other side. I did the same thing. You line it up with the line here, and I would rather put it on the outside if I was you, to line it up, and it's going to have a slight slant. But if you line it up with this line, you see as shown here, and then you count down 4 again. If you want to add 4 more onto it, it depends on how long you want your strap. So, and then once you do that, then you just come across, and I line it up like this. Sometimes I'll measure to make sure that it's 4. So let me. This is 4, yep, from here. See, 4. And then you could go ahead and then you just take it and draw it straight across. So that gives you an extended strap size. So at that point, this will be your new pattern. So you can, and you could put here, place. Place on fold. So this is your new cutting line. So now take your scissors, you cut it out, and you'll have a longer strap. So I hope that made sense, because because this is still on the fold, so you're not changing anything up here that actually is a part that goes into your bag once you fold it and everything. Once you just follow the pattern piece, follow the video, the tutorial, and that's it. And you have your extra length and strap. All right, stay tuned for more. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. And I look forward to doing more videos. So once you go, you can either download this pattern. We have the digital pattern, or you can order the paper pattern. And it has all the directions on how to cut everything out and put it together on both the digital and the digital download and the paper pattern. And it comes with your pocket. It comes with the bag and the strap, and this is how you extend your strap. All right.